Cave art is a well-preserved art form with famous examples including Lapus Cave and France. Roman built roads, colosseum and pantheons, engineering, constructed bridges, and public baths. Language and Latin became the basis for many languages. Trade established extensive trade networks.
Ang Roman art ay kilala sa mga katotohanang eskultura, mga malalaking gusali, mga mosaic na nagpapakita ng kanilang kapangyarihan at kultura. Ang Roman art ay, ang mga example ng Roman art ay yung mga kagaya ng mga poste sa mga ay sa National Museum, yung mga may naka-carve na mga poste. Yan ang example ng mga Roman art. Tsaka yung mga mosaic, mga malalaking mosaic sa mga museum. Yan, ang mga isa sa mga example ng Roman art. Cut ko na sana.
Medieval art, which encompasses a vast range of art and architecture, refers to the period known as the Middle Ages, which lasted roughly from the collapse of the Roman Empire in 476 AD until the early phases to the Renaissance in the 14th century. Work produced during this era drew in the Roman Empire's created heritage and the iconographic style of the early Christian church, as well as the
Greek art, naturalistic representation of the human body, development of sculpture, pottery, and monumental architecture, emphasis on idealized beauty, mythology, and daily life scenes. Roman art borrowed heavily from Greek tradition but focused on realism, focus on ideal beauty, human anatomy, and balanced classical. Style adaptation of Greek styles, realistic portraits and engineering arcs and aqueducts, emphasis on mythology and history in sculpture and reliefs. Ancient Egyptians believed that there is a place called Tuwa, where they can go after they die. The Egyptian architecture, sculptures, and painting are mostly about afterlife focus such as Pyramid of Giza, tomb, and pyramids. Temples and other monumental structure. The best example of ancient Egyptian architecture are the Egyptian pyramids, Egyptian buildings, where they built the mud brick and limestone.
Chinese painting, a tradition spanning millennia, is a vibrant art form that reflects the country's rich history, philosophy, and cultural values. From the delicate brushstrokes and meticulous court paintings to the expressive landscape of a literary master's Chinese painting offers captivating exploration of artistic expression and cultural identity.
Ang Chinese art ay kilala sa mga maselang brushstroke, mga simbolo ng kalikasan at mga tema ng espiritualidad at pagkakaisa. Ang mga sample ng Chinese art ay yung mga kagaya ng mga nasa plato, yung mga painting sa plato, and yung mga tulad ng mga nasa kalikasan. Yan.
Ukiyo-e is a genre of Japanese art which flourished from the 7th through 19th centuries. Its arts produced woodblock prints and paintings of such subjects as a female beauties, kabuki actors, and sumo wrestlers, scenes from history of folktales, travel seats, and landscape flora and fauna and erotica.
Ang ukiyo-e ay isang sining sa Japan na nagsimula ng ika-17 siglo. Ito ay mga woodblock print na nagpapakita ng buhay sa lungsod ng mga magagandang babae, mga aktor at mga tanawin. Ang mga ito ay naging popular sa mga mamamayan ng Edo. Ang mga sample ng ukiyo-e ay yung parang sa mga pamaypay, yung mga nakapaint sa pamaypay na mga magagandang babae at parang mga Chinese na babae sa paypay.